Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can change payment method on Hulu. So let's suppose you select your package that you want to do, or let's suppose you select the here you can see that I selected my Hulu subscription. Okay, and once you select it, here in the bottom you have option. You can select PayPal or you can select credit card, and for credit card you need to fill out this detail and click on submit, and for PayPal you simply need to click on that and click on continue with PayPal. So this is the easy method, and if you need to go back you can easily change your uh, the subscription that you want for your Hulu from here. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.